Hey, what's up everyone? Red here with Divisive Content. We are out at the Delaware point-to-point race. It is rainy, it is wet, but we are gonna go on an adventure. Let's head out. So we're out here at the Delaware point-to-point event. Why did you guys come out here today?
So it was an opportunity for us to hang out with friends and family and just have a good time.
So the first race is about to start. Let's check it out. So I am here at the point-to-point race. I'm talking to this gentleman. He drove this amazing Rolls-Royce to this event. Could you tell me just something really briefly about this car that you drove here today?
This is the 1958 New York car show car that was put on the floor by Rolls-Royce, and it's a special car because it has a Radford modification. It's one of the few Radford modifications that turns the car into a great tailgating car, and a car if you're going hunting in it. Radford was the only one who did that for Rolls-Royce, and so it was delivered without an interior by Rolls-Royce to Radford, and Radford did the entire interior of the car. I think the internal combustion engine is the past and future of automobiles, and electric is going to be a passing fad.
There's a lot of young guys out here that would love to own a car like the one you're showing here today.
Sure.
What advice do you have for them as they're trying to find their way in the world to end up in that dream car that they've been thinking about?
Probably the most relevant advice has to do with money. And the trick there is to acquire a car that's not perfect, that's for sale, that is 90% there or 80 and 70% there, and take it upon yourself to learn the skills required to bring it to 100%. And then you'll have your car. Now, most cars are not concours grade cars. You know, that means that you're in a show and you're a 100% car. My car maybe is a 70% car, but it's adequate as a day driver. You can go anywhere with it. It runs, and it's reliable. So you can afford those kinds of things. You could pick up a reasonable Rolls-Royce car these days for 10 grand and work it, yourself and just learn the hobby.
So we're here at the Delaware point-to-point event. We're interviewing people. Why did you come out here today?
Came here to see the ponies race.
And what'd you think of the event? It's a little wet, but do you care?
You know what? It was awesome. The weather held out for just long enough to make it a great event.
I'm out here at point-to-point, and there is an interesting game I've never seen before. Can you tell me what the name of this game is?
I built it, and the boxes are made out of the non-rotting stuff because it's always wet at point-to-point, it seems. But I think we call it, Jamie, what do we call this?
The washer game.
Washer game.
why'd you guys come out here today?
You got it. All right, I came out here because my family loves Point to Point. It's a good time. All the community comes around and just has a good time watching horses race. Puts a little money on it, and everyone's going to UD, so let's go.
And if people haven't been here before, why should they come?
Oh, I got that one. It's because it's a blast. It's not a normal event. Like, this doesn't happen all the time. And usually it's great weather. Not today, but usually it's like the best time. You get to hang out with friends. And it's just awesome seeing these horses and all these fun people to be with. It's awesome.
Awesome. And if someone wanted to come here for the first time, what is a piece of advice you would give them?
Piece of advice. I got next. I'd say get a group of people, get a little tent, get a little spot, and have a good time, get some good food, have a good time, and just hang out with the people that you love.
Be with the right people. That's what I would say. And find your crowd. Find your crowd.
Where do you guys go to college?
What? So this guy's
Knoxville, UTK.
There we go. Where we at?
You got it.
All right. I go to University of Delaware. Let's go, baby. Come on.
Yeah, I'm going to Lehigh. Bethlehem, yeah, that's the goal. This guy right here is going to Harvard.
Harvard? What? Harvard?
He's going to Harvard, no
It's
glaze.
always a good time at Delaware.
It's crazy.
Delaware is an underrated state.
Yeah.
Have a good time at Delaware.
Yeah.
Point to point, baby. Everyone loves it.
Yeah.
Enjoy the now. Yeah, enjoy the now, baby.
Are you guys excited for 2025?
I'm optimistic about the future of the country. Not to get political, but I am. Yeah.
America first?
America first.
All right, let's go.
I'm looking forward to what we're going to become because it's going to be different than what we were.
Make America great again, all the way.
Let's go, America first.
America first.
Hey, what's up? Red here from Divisive Content. Today I had an incredible time at the Delaware Point to Point horse race. We saw some amazing cars, there was some incredible horse races, and everybody was partying and having a good time. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you on our next adventure.